What up? Nick from Fisherman Source. Have one here on a Tsunami SaltX. This is a 6,000 handle on a 4,000. You can do that little trick for everybody. I fish the 4,000 the most. I fish a 9-foot rod most of the time. As you can see, this thing is properly beat up. This is Tsunami's sealed reel that they came out for surf fishing. I've had them since they came out 3-4 years ago. I'm not even sure. This one is the original one that I've had. It has been serviced a couple times. Tsunami is really, really good about it. They turn it around quick. You call them, they tell you where to send it, and it's back. I throw it in the water when I land fish. I treat it just like you would treat a Van Staal or a Z-Bass. It does get soaked, dunked, wet, thrown on rocks. Everything aside from reeling it underwater that you would want out of a surf reel. They're very light. The 4,000, 14.5 ounces. The 6,000 is 18 ounces. The 4,000, you're gonna have probably 300 yards of 30-pound braid. I put Berkeley X9 on this, which I fish on most of my spinning reels now. The 6,000, you're gonna get 450 yards of 30 or 300 yards of 50. So they're both very versatile. The 6,000 is so light, can and do fish it on my 9-foot rod a lot. Very smooth drag for a sealed reel, fairly smooth operating reel, super light. It's a no-brainer, in my opinion. Until next time, we'll see you.